are you doing this? What's wrong, Charles? Charles, what are you doing? What is this? We're friends. Why are you doing this? I don't understand. Where's Adam, Charles? Where's Adam? What are you doing? What is this? What are you doing? Charles, please stop this. Please stop. Hey, Charles.
Hey, no bikini?
Shut up. Knock it off.
Hey,
Come on.
how you going?
Hi.
That's good.
Okay.
Can I get to Summer Brook on camera?
Summer Brook?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe. Nice.
Hey, do you reckon you can film some of me and Brooke?
Some of you and Brooke? How about some of me and you?
Alright, show some love. Let's see it.
Yes, well, we're friends, we got some love. Except when he's a punk. Come on, Brooke, let's go to the beach. Come on!
Thanks, Charles. Charles, why are you doing this? Please stop. Let me go. Where's Adam? Charles, where's Adam?
Do you love him?
Why would you even ask that?
I said, do you love him?
Yes. Where's Adam? Where's Adam?
You want to see Adam, do you? Go see Adam.
Stop, please. What are you doing?
No!
You love him now. Do you fucking make me do?